Hey everybody, Rabbi Bill Hamilton here as we look forward to the new year ahead and we enter the month of Elul leading up to Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. There's a very interesting phenomenon this year that I was paying attention to this summer, which is we begin collectively with recovery from our lowest day of the year, Tisha B'Av, and the destruction of the temple. And we have 7 weeks that lead us up to Tishrei, to the new year. And only after we've looked at the collective recovery of our people do we get personal and talk about our personal renewal. Why that order? Somebody said to me recently that both are hard. Personal renewal is actually harder. But before I could say to them, well, that might be reason enough to start with the collective, they added, as a people, we have a tremendous track record at being able to repair and recover. After the destruction, Ezra institutes public Torah reading and learning. After the second destruction, the second exile, the Talmud begins its career. After we get kicked out of Spain, Tzfat and Kabbalat Shabbat and mysticism is born. When you look at how effective we are at repairing and recovering, you get a glimpse of what resilience looks like. And you take that more personally. As we embrace the next 40 days, the 30 days of Elul and the 10 days of repentance, may we take our people's example as pros at this and make it our own. Wishing you all a sweet and healthy new year.